We are in the jungle, trekking alone. In the mud. Very muddy. Look down at the mud. Ooh. This is what we're slopping around in. Look at the jungle. Hear the boots suck in the mud. Yes. It's very thick and scary. It might be coming up to a jaguar at any moment. Is there one that way? Or one this way? That's the way we're going. Here we go. Here, little kitty kitty. Here, little jaguar. Where are you? Or maybe that elusive snake could be in here. Where could the snake be? Over there? We do not know. We sink into the slimy bog of mud. Oh yes, those are the footprints in the jungle. There are more. Yes. Wild animals in the jungle. This is a tree in the jungle. What you see are not roots. They are actually vines strangulating the tree, forming that incredible look. Now, we are going hunting. Oh, we have spotted a poison dart frog we are coming to find. I see him. He is red with little boots on. There he is. That is the poison dart frog. Do not touch, he will kill you. Hello, little poison dart frog. Look at him. He's coming for Inga. He's going to get her. He's hippity hopping. Here we have the wild Inga. She is sinking into the mud. This is right after the poison dart frog experience. She is stuck in the mud.
Wow!
There she goes. She got a foot up. And we've got the best view in the house right here, folks. Doesn't get any better than this. She's grabbing the poison plant, I'm sure. Trying to get herself unstucked.
Wait till you come across here.
Ah, we're smarter than that, aren't we? There she is. Look at the boot. Look at the boot. It is covered. Look at it. Oozes in all the way in. She's going to be going over the boot in a minute. Okay.
Okay, I can't get my foot out.
Okay, we must go rescue the damsel in distress. Bye-bye for now. We have found another poison dart frog. Do you see him? We zoom out. He is on this palm here.
Where is he?
He's right there.
Oh.
Yes, another poison dart frog.
Okay.
Scary. Okay, we are on the trail in the jungle still. I am talking right. We are being quiet. Looking out for the black mamba snake. And the jaguars that frequent the area. It is thick in the jungle. And we are approaching the Heron Haven. This is where a particular kind of heron hangs out at. But first, we must cross Mud Swamp City. Oh yes, we sank. You see the standing water virtually everywhere. Okay, we will be back. Next is Heron Place. This is the Heron Place. You see that one? Oh, there's that guy right there. Let's get down and see if we can see some more. see the one, but there's more. We can hear them. Hear them there. Typical tree in the jungle with their head. Up and 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 up.